We see 6th standard maths, chapter 1.1 exercise.
Page number 12, exercise 1.1. First one, fill in the blanks. First of all, you learn points to remember. 1 tens, 10 ones, 100, 10 tens, 1000, 10 hundreds, 1 10,000, 10,000, 100,000, 10 10,000, 1 million, 10 100,000, 1 10 million, 10 millions, 100 million, 10 10 million, 1 million, 100 10,000s, 1 million, 100 10 lakhs, 1 crore, 10 million, 1 crore, 100 lakhs or 100 100,000. First one, fill in the blanks. Answer is 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. 1 million, 100,000. 1 crore, 10 lakh. 1 crore, 10 million. 1 million, 10 lakh. Second one, place commas correctly and write the numerals. First one, 73,75,307. 73 lakh. We have lakh period, so that's Indian system of numeration. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. 58 million 423,202. 58 million 423,202. That's a international system of numeration. 23 lakh 30,010. Answer is 73 lakh 75,307. So we have lakh period. Indian system of numeration place value chart is ones period, thousands period, lakh period and crore period. Ones period is ones, tens, 100. Thousand period is 1,000, 10,000. Lakh period, lakh, 10 lakh. Crore period, crore, 10 crore. International system of numeration place value chart is ones period, thousands period and million period. Ones period, ones, tens, 100. Thousands period, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Million period, million, 10 million and 100 million. First one answer is 73 lakh 75,302. First 73 lakh. So lakh period you put comma. 75,000 thousands period you put comma. 307. 307 is ones period. $73 lakh 75,307. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 9 crore you have crore period, lakh period and ones period. You never have thousands period, so you put 0. Thousands period you put 0. 9 crore, crore period 9 crore, 5 lakh only. So 5 lakh, 10 lakh period 0. Thousands period also 0. 100 period you don't have 100 period, so you put 0 and 41. Tens period and ones period 41. 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. 58,423,202. That is international system, because you have million period, ones period, thousands period and million period. You have thousands period is 3 digit. So 58,423,000. 423,000 thousands period 3 digit 202. 23 lakh 30,010. 23 lakh 30,010. 23 lakh 30,010. We never have thousands 100 period, so 100 period is 0. Third one, insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system numeration. Insert commas, Indian system numeration. Answer is Indian system numeration. Already you know Indian system numeration. Ones period, Indian system numeration, ones period, thousands period, lakh period and crore period. So ones period, ones, tens, 100. Ones period, ones, tens, 100. So you skip 3 digit, you put comma, and thousands period, 1000, 10,000. So you skip 2 digit and put comma, and lakh, 10 lakh. You skip 2 digit. First you skip 3 digit and put comma, and you otherwise you skip 2 digit, you put comma. So answer is fourth one, insert commas suitably and write the names according to International System of Numeration. Insert commas, International System of Numeration. Answer is International System of Numeration places ones period, thousands period and million period. Ones period, ones, tens, 100. So you skip 3 digit, ones, tens, 100. You skip 3 digits, you put comma, and thousands period, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. You skip always 3 digit and put comma. International place value, you put comma. First you skip 3 digit, otherwise you skip 3 digits.